morning. Unit number 6A, Work Energy Principle. It states that if particle of mass m subjected to unbalanced force system, then the total work done by all forces during the displacement from position 1 to 2 is equal to, so total work done is equal to change in kinetic energy during the displacement. So u1 to 2 is equal to k2 minus k1. u1 to 2 means algebraic sum of the work done by all forces from position 1 to 2. k1 is the k of a system at position 1, that is the kinetic energy of a system at position 1, and k2 is equal to ku of a system, that is the kinetic energy at position 2. Now work done by various forces. So firstly work done by frictional force, and that is equal to Fr into S. S is the displacement, and that is equal to minus mu k into N. N means mg into S. S is the displacement. So why minus? Because it is happen in opposite in the applied force direction. So suppose if, and one more thing, if it is on inclined plane, then N is equal to mg cos theta, the weight component and its cos component, that is mg cos theta. Work done by gravitational force, that is equal to mgh. Work done is considered to be positive if it is moving in the direction of gravity, and that means it is going downward, then it is considered as a positive. Now consider this inclined plane, and this block is moving upward to the position 2. It traveled the distance s, the plane angle is theta. Then work done by gravity is equal to, since it is opposite to the direction of gravity, it is minus, so minus mg into s is the distance travel, and sine theta is the weight component or angle component, so that is equal to minus w sine theta into s. Now work done by spring force, and that is equal to 1 half k into x1 square minus x2 square. K is a spring constant or spring stiffness in Newton per meter. x1 is the deflection of a spring in position 1, and that is equal to L1 minus L0. L1 is a stretch length, L0 is original length in position 1. x2 is the deflection in spring in position 2, and that is equal to L2 minus L0. So suppose a spring is attached from A to B, and which is a stretch one, and now it is shifted to the point C, and the length is L2. So x1 will be the deflection in position 1, and that is equal to stretch length minus original length at position 1, and x2 is the deflection in spring in position 2, and that is equal to L2 minus L0, the stretch length at position 2 minus original length L0. Now we'll study one problem. One more thing. This is a conservation of energy. So the sum of potential energy and kinetic energy of a particle remains constant during the motion under the action of conservative forces. So from work energy principle we'll get u1 to 2 is equal to k2 minus k1, but under the action of conservative force, u1 to 2 is equal to minus p2 minus p1. So we can conclude, or we can write that k1 plus p1 is equal to k2 plus p2. Now we'll study one problem.